Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on login alerts in email notification in Facebook Lite app. It means that if someone try to log in your account, then you will get notification in your email. So how can you do this? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So you can see this is the Facebook Lite app. So you have to click here a three line top right corner on your screen. Simply click on that and scroll down a little bit. Then here you will see the option settings. Simply click on settings. Once you click on settings, then here you will see the option password and security. Simply click on second one, and once you click second one, then here you will see like your login. See more. Sorry, it means that password and login alert. Okay, so save your you can see get alert about recognize login. Simply click on that and you will see the notification is turned on. It means you'll get notification in your Facebook, but if you want to receive a notification in your email, then you have to choose the second one. Simply click on that and then you will see your email account. So simply click on that and click save, and then your email account added. Or you can also add email address to get a notification. Here you have to enter your email address here. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.